How to attach your Roma 4-rider to your pram. Place your connector around your pram chassis. Tighten securely until there's no clicks left. Repeat these steps on both sides. Then line up your 4-rider. Make sure it's fixed securely, taking up the slack. It should look like this each side. You want to reduce as much movement as possible. So make sure all wheels are on the ground. Loosen the knobs as much as possible. Check you're happy with the position. Then tighten them. This should minimize movement and prevent tipping. We'd recommend testing your 4-rider first. Some movement is normal, but if you're unsure, try these steps again. When fitted correctly, the 4-rider will be secure and will not tip. Never leave your little one unattended when using the 4-rider. And remember to have fun out there.